Another SVR. Another no risk alert.
Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Your tuner's hamburger. Be quiet.
In southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County.
Oh, that's
in
us.
Southeastern
Heck
Texas,
yeah.
Until 7:30 p.m.
Northwestern
Central
Harris.
Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near the Woodlands, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Oh, man.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Conroe, Tomball, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Shenandoah, Woodloke, the Woodlands Pavilion, and Chateau Woods. Remain alert for a possible
I'm
tornado.
actually, it's a doubleheader.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection,
For my
move to an
county.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, nothing yet. But yeah, SVR for my county. That's cool.